Hello everyone, it's Brett here at the Milwaukee Art Museum, and I'm looking at a few different examples of stained glass. Stained glass, like this George Mann Niedecken piece, is often designed with geometric patterns, or straight edges and regular shapes. Stained glass can also be made with organic or curved shapes and patterns that are often irregular. Let's go take a look at that too. This lamp, the laburnum floor lamp, designed by Clara Driscoll and produced by Tiffany Studios, has a shade with a wonderful example of organic stained glass work. Every petal of every flower, every leaf, every stem is a unique hand-cut glass form that is put together to create the shade. Stained glass is colored glass. We'll collect tissue paper of different colors to use in our design with clear packing tape. Tissue paper is thin enough to let light shine through, and clear packing tape will hold the tissue paper together. Later in the video, you'll see how you can use permanent marker to replicate the lead of leaded glass that holds each individual piece of glass together. Simple geometric shapes like triangles and rectangles will make my border. Inside, I'll make an organic form. I'm checking to make sure my design will fit by measuring the tissue paper against my border. I cut out the cardinal, my favorite winter friend. Be careful with your design, but if something happens, you can always lay it out again. Use the width of your tape against your design to determine how many strips of tape you'll need. One side is smooth, the other sticky. For this portion, you will want the sticky side up. Stretch it out longer than you need and cut to length. Repeat this for as wide as you need your design to be. Then start transferring your pattern from your tissue paper squares onto the sticky side of the masking tape until it is complete. Add a loop of string or other hanging material to the top of your design. Be sure to find parts that are still sticky in between the tissue paper. Center the loop so that it'll hang evenly. Add another layer of clear tape to the top of your design, sandwiching your tissue paper design and the string in between the two layers of tape. Again, be sure that the sticky side of your tape is down this time and the smooth side is up, so both sides of your design will be smooth when finished. You can use permanent marker to fill in the spaces in between the colorful tissue paper. This will block light from passing through and will resemble the leading found in stained glass designs. You can also use the marker to add additional details that you didn't cut out of the tissue paper for your design. If you really want to block light from coming through, you can flip your design over and trace the same black lines on the back of your stained glass design. Your design can also be seen from both sides if you're hanging it on a window. This way, you'll be sure to have all of the details and clean lines that you'd like for people to see from both inside and out.